here of a Pine Acres RV coming at you with a fresh trade-in. Hello, 2014 Heartland Fairfield. Hey, look at that, we got some water here on my camera. There you go. I got the water off my camera. Heartland Fairfield, we originally sold this brand new back in 2014. It stayed stationary over in Booktush. And the previous owners have upgraded, serious upgrade, to a Cedar Creek cottage. Wow, lucky. 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. That battery will be replaced or fully charged. Look at all the windows. All right, the outside looks good. Let's go in. Okay, normally we have a patio right here. We walk in that door, but I'm gonna go through the bedroom here, but we're gonna bypass the bedroom real quick and go right to the living area. Ta-da! All right, check out the front living area. Very, very spacious. We have 4 chairs and a table. Look at the nice blinds all over. Nice leather couch here. That turns into a bed. Window, 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 hello. We got the fireplace. Jensen Stereo. Great spot there for a TV. Or let's negotiate that in, how about that? All right, we are missing a chair here, so we may get rid of this one and put 2 more chairs in here. Don't be surprised if that happens when you get here to take a look at it. Residential style fridge. 4 burner stove. Oven. Whirlpool microwave. Awesome. This backsplash, by the way, was added in by the previous owner. We got 2 stainless steel sinks. Awesome floor. Definitely looking good. Let's see if I can find some imperfections. Oh yeah, that has been removed for the blind has been removed for transportation purposes. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Yep, that is a ceramic toilet. You got a nice medicine cabinet, sink, fan, exactly where it's supposed to be. Skylight. We got the shower here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we have not cleaned this yet. This literally arrived last night. Nice and deep storage all over. Okay, back to the master bedroom. This is awesome. Absolutely, that is a king-size bed. Look at the room, another slide back here. Underneath the bed, storage. Oh, there's the blinds. Nice headboard. This light's burnt out, by the way. We will definitely have that fixed. Now, we got opposing windows in the slide, so that gives you great cross ventilation. Another great spot there for TV. All right, and let me open this up. Oh, let me see if we can get a light on. Just aha! We have the light! That side and over on this side. That is really deep. The whole back of the unit. Okay, I'm impressed. I like it. It's in good shape. We got a manual awning out there, and it is fairly clean. Of course, we're going to clean that up even better. We're going to figure something out with that sofa. Well, not the sofa, but the chair. Of course, make sure you mention to the salesperson you want a TV right there. We'll make that happen. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.